This is very rare footage of actual Ukrainian infantry attack on Russian positions. Russian observation post is destroyed by artillery of the 1st Special Purpose Brigade named after Ivan Bohun. A Georgian Legion fighter with an FGM-148 Javelin fires at Russian tank. Another, improved BM-8 light MRLS made by Ukrainian forces. A 12-tube launcher is mounted on a Ford F-150 Raptor truck, using 80mm S-8 Co rockets which are typically fired from aircraft. Ukrainian marksman. Accuracy International Arctic Warfare.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.